I'm Brad Levitt, President of AFT Construction. Thank you for tuning into our YouTube channel today. We are at our Pinnacle View project. And this is our steel column here, and it's very common in a lot of our projects that we have a lot of steel, and a lot of that is structurally as we have bigger openings, taller ceilings, wider openings for our clients. You need that steel. It's going to be it allows us more thinner profiles as far as the depth here of the column itself and the support of the house. And so the way this is done, and all of our homes are different. We have some houses that have a ton of structural steel, and that's due to the design and architectural element. This one in particular has some on the second floor, some right here. And really the purpose of this one, as you can see here, we have a glulam beam that's going to be running the width here of the great room, and then we also have two running the length of the kitchen wall and great room wall going outside. And it's really important, as you know, that we work with a good structural steel manufacturer as they're working on erection and welding everything. And then we come in early on when the forms are poured. We have our footings, and the bottom plate is installed with the footings. We come and we weld and install the column here, and you can see how secure it is because as we pour the stem wall, it gives it that nice secure base. Of course, this is all dictated by our structural engineer. And again, this gives extra support. You can see how thin it is as opposed to having a big bulky glulam beam or wood structure here, wood column that we're building to support, these long spans. And it's really important too, here in Arizona, we have a lot of wind shear. That's really important because of the monsoons. We do get microburst, a lot of wind shear. And so it's different, every area is different, right? We don't have some of the structural requirements of California in the earthquake zones, although we do have some here. And it's really important that, especially our exterior walls, columns, are tied together to withstand those microbursts from the winds that come in the monsoon season, which we are now. We're in June, July, August, big monsoon season. We have these storms roll in. If ever you want to look up an interesting photo of Phoenix, look up the term haboob, H-A-B-O-O-B, and that's the term, as you'd see in Egypt, right? This wall of dirt that's coming in into the city, and you can search those on Google. Pretty interesting images. We'll put some here on the YouTube channel so you can see what that is. And that's really important as that microburst comes in, that all that structural shear is protected. That's why we also do full shear on the exterior of our homes.